Look, they're out there. Looks like they're cleaning now the road. Oh, look at those trucks with blue on top of. See the lights? Yeah, those are the salt trucks. They have salt and they're gonna plow the snow. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And they come and they clean all that snow. They have to go, other trucks, right, go to highways, other parts of the town. Wow. And they put salt, look how many. It's a big storm today, big storm. Big snowstorm. And it's still snowing, still falling now. I don't know if you guys can see, I think so, look. Still falling now. And the cars here, they're gonna come here to clean too. There's a truck that's gonna come plow the snow. Yeah, my goodness. Well, we're still gonna have the snow. Beautiful one. This is Canada. Ontario. Beautiful. Snowstorm.